Alright, this is going to be an unboxing, first look. I'm not going to use this knife for really anything much, but a showpiece. It's super nice. You'll see why. It is in this box. It's by Dylan McCoun. Is that how you say it? McCoun? I know a lot of people say McCoun, but I think it's McCoun. McCoun. It's McCoun. Dylan McCoun. And him and his dad, Mark, make some pretty cool blades, and if I could be honest, I think they're underpriced. I've got from Dylan, I've got this knife and a couple EDC fixed blades and a small Scout Hawk, and then from his dad, Mark, I got a hatchet. That's pretty much my favorite hatchet now. So let's go ahead, unbox this. I haven't seen it except online, and this is, golly, he's got this taped in there, so this is not an easy unboxing apparently. And this thing went around the country a bunch of times before it arrived. My local, I guess, sorting station got it like 3 or 4 times. Just kept getting sent back and forth and back and forth, and it was weird. Anyway, enough rambling. If I can get this out. See, here we go. Alright, here we are. Dylan mostly sells his blades on the website, and his dad is mostly on eBay. I'll put the link to both of them below. Here's the sheath. Nice leather sheath. And here is the blade. It is a copper Damascus drop point from 1095, 15 and 20, nickel and copper, curly maple handle, and a 2-piece brass guard, if you can see that. It's cutting edge here. Yeah, I'm reading off the screen because I copied the the info there. Cutting edge here, 4 3/8. Thickness is 3/16. Handle is 5 1/8. There you go. If you see that edge, see those lines. It is, wow. The handle is fatter than I thought it would be. It's not a bad thing. The behind the edge here, or not edge, spine here, it's not 90, which is good because I didn't really want it 90. So you can kind of put your thumb there more. Now this part, it's still not 90, but I'd be okay with if that was 90. And let's see how sharp it is. Yeah, wow, okay. And then this back section, yeah, I got a couple new bare spots. That is sharp. Small paper. Should have got a larger paper. That's okay. All right, let's try this again. There we go. There we go. See? No problem here. I got this dang fly that keeps bothering me. So, alright, let's take a closer look at the edge on the table. Okay, so here it is next to an Ursus 45 from White River. As you can see, it's a little bit bigger. Dylan and Mark both hand make their stuff, and usually it's pretty available. So just looking at that edge. And let's go ahead and flip it over. You can see the other side. By a little sweat spot there or something. Whoa, accidentally hit zoom.
You see the edge? No issues. So nice job there. And just checking the fit. The fit here. You see, got a little, I don't know if that's a little patina starting to form already on the brass, but that's okay. This thing was in shipment for like 2.5 weeks. Not Dylan's fault, the post office's fault. Yeah. So all in all, it's pretty good. You know, little bits here and there, like a little, you know, smudge, little nick, you know, but it's handmade, so that's okay. It's certainly is pretty. Here's the sheath. All their sheaths are pretty similar. Pouch style sheath. I believe my one of my EDCs has a cross stitch pattern, but they're all pretty much the same style. This pouch style that's fitted. Yeah, pretty solid sheaths. Thick, tough. Oh, I forgot to add. See, this is what it's like in the sheath. Can't hear any rattle. And then let me. Whoa, okay, yeah, it slipped a little bit, but still pretty good for the sheath. Good fitment. Hey, there we go. Maybe I just gotta get my mojo back. Yeah, maybe it's just a mojo thing. Yeah, it's just me. Just bad technique. That one kind of tore. Bad technique. There we go. See? Yeah, that section's fine. It's just me being bad. Yep, so that is the unboxing look, first look at this. You know, maybe I'll go outside, beat it around sometime, but not for now. I'm gonna use it for a looking blade for a while. I got plenty of other knives that I beat on. So anyway, thanks for watching. Get outside, enjoy life, stay hydrated. Check out all these videos floating around here for other great content. Also, be sure to like, share, subscribe, hit that bell notification, comment, check out the links below. It all helps the channel and the family. Every little bit.